Hey everybody, it's Congressman Jamie Raskin. You know, I'm the top Democrat on the House Judiciary Committee, and over the last several weeks, and especially over the next couple of weeks, we are defending the independence of the American judiciary against Donald Trump. Look, Donald Trump is losing in court on a daily basis. It's about everything from his attempt to destroy birthright citizenship in America. That got struck down by a Biden judge, an Obama judge, a Reagan judge, even a Trump judge struck it down. The Reagan judge said that that was the easiest case he ever had to decide. Now that Donald Trump is losing all of these cases in court, they're attacking the judges. I mean, some people are out there actually making violent threats against the judges and their families. But we've got colleagues in the House who are saying, impeach the judges. Now think about that for a second. You disagree with the opinion of a judge, and your response is to try to impeach the judge? What about appealing the decision? And that's what Chief Justice John Roberts said. We don't deal with a disagreement over the law by impeaching the judge. We appeal the case to the next highest level. But of course, they know they're going to keep losing because their positions are so ridiculous on all of these things. They don't have the power to rewrite the laws that Congress has written. They don't have the power to destroy federal agencies that we created. That doesn't make sense. They don't have the power to rip up the Constitution. And when you tell that to Donald Trump, he says, oh, well, I got so many votes and this and that. There are people who got a lot more votes than him, including Joe Biden, including Franklin D. Roosevelt, including Ronald Reagan, who also got struck down by the Supreme Court in different ways. But just because you got elected doesn't mean you have the right to trample the Constitution. That's what the rule of law means. It means that the law applies to everybody. So they're talking about impeaching judges, and we've got to make very clear that's not why you impeach judges. There have been 15 judges impeached in U.S. history, all of them for things like taking bribes, engaging in corruption. One guy was habitually drunk on the bench, not even once or twice, but many, many times. You've got to do something like that. It's got to be professional misconduct. It's not because somebody has a different view of the law that you have, much less that you have the right view of the law that everybody agrees with, and Donald Trump is way out on a limb claiming he's got a right to do whatever he wants under the Constitution. Nonsense. And J.D. Vance is wrong. It's not up to the president to decide whether he's acting lawfully or not. It's up to the courts to decide. As the Supreme Court said, Chief Justice John Marshall in 1803, it's emphatically the province and the duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. It's not up to Congress to say whether we violated the law in passing a law. It's up to the Supreme Court if it gets challenged. It's not up to the president to say whether one of his actions is lawful or not. We've got to stand up for judicial independence in America, the sovereignty of the courts to tell us what the law means. That's their role. Congress adopts the laws, passes the laws. The president takes care the laws are faithfully executed under the law. And if there's a dispute about it, it goes to the courts and the courts work it out. Thanks for joining me.